or can tell us more about your experience in using it?
Actually, I got to try this during that shoot, and I was really, really amazed. Because I'm not gonna lie, I do remove
Yes.
some elements in my photos sometimes, especially when it's distracting. Of course, you want your, and especially if you're working with a brand, they have requirements for all of the
Yes.
photos. And for us, kasi content creators, it's very, very important that we kind of I guess follow the brief or the
Yes.
instructions of the brands that we're working with. So if there's anything distracting in the photo that I have shot, I erase it talaga.
Yeah.
Just so that I follow the guidelines. So I found it so amazing that at least now, it's one click lang and it's on your phone, and I don't really have to upload it on my laptop anymore. And it takes a lot. It takes a long time kasi to edit.
Yeah.
Especially if you're very particular with your photo and with your content. So I'm really, really happy that at least now it's in our phones.
Yes, and basically it's all in your fingertips, It is such a hassle to bring around a laptop, right? Especially if you're in Siargao.
Imagine nagbaboting ka may
Diba?
laptop. May deadline ka, no?
Guys, wait ang nangyayari yan sa akin. That happens to me
Dala ko yung
sometimes.
laptop ko, teka lang Diba? Sobrang effort yon, diba? What do you have to say about that, EJ?
Well, for me, it's actually pretty convenient that the AI eraser is already in the Oppo phone, obviously. And at the same time, kasi may mga iba talaga na they use a certain app for it.
Yeah.
But with Oppo, it's already in the phone. You don't have to download anything. It's already there. So it's very accessible, like what Nadine said earlier. And then for me, like the AI Studio is the best for me. It's like a playground. You can actually transform yourself into a digital avatar if you want to be a Disney princess or whoever you want to be. Actually, that's what's good about AI. Actually,
Yeah.
is you can transform yourself into a digital avatar or like make yourself or improve your photo
Yes.
much better.
And you can basically change your whole scenery.
Yes.
The whole setting of the photo. So kung gusto mong nasa Siargao ka with Nadine, nasa shoot ka with EJ, you can do that with AI Studio, diba?
Yes.
Now, as someone who loves taking photos and making content, the AI Studio really sounds like something that I could also use myself. But of course, I want to see it in action. So Mark, how about we do a little demo here para sa ating audience?
Right. Thanks, Candy. I think iniisip nila this is all special effects or puro edit lang to. But the Oppo AI Eraser 2.0 and the Oppo AI Studio is indeed for real. It's here in your phone. Wala ka nang kailangan i-download. You just need to buy.
Built in.
It's built in.
Yes.
So, sige, let's show off our AI Eraser first. So, by the way, we do have our Oppo booths over there. Ay, ayun ako, nasa screen ako.
Ito na,
Okay.
pakita natin yung screen
Alright.
ni Mark.
Okay. So, this photo,
Okay. Ayan yung camera natin sa likod.
Ayan.
Para makita ng everyone here.
okay. So, this is Nadine. I think this was in our shoot last year, no?
Yes.
Sa may bundok to.
Wow.
So, okay. So, this is the one also in the video that we showed earlier. So, all you have to do is make sure you're connected to the internet.
Aha.
Press edit and AI eraser.
Okay. Sige, we're gonna adjust the screen so it's better. It's clearer for everybody here in SM City Santa Rosa Activity Center. And I think it's better if you're connected to the internet, obviously, right?
Yes.
So ayan, we're gonna see it from
Yeah.
the shoot last year, diba, Mark?
Yes. Hindi na ako gagalaw kasi... okay.
Okay.
Alright, so here I've pressed AI eraser and you can choose between Smart Lasso, Paint Over, or Remove People. In this case, di ba dun sa video, tinanggal natin yung dalawang prod team dito. Press Remove People.
Remove people.
Ayan,
Okay.
so nagde-detect na siya ngayon. And as you can see,
Oh.
na-detect niya yung dalawang tao. And you can remove one person and you just have to wait a bit. Siyempre, kailangan...
Whoa!
Yeah.
Wow!
That's actually pretty cool.
And that's like happening like right now. It's
Yes.
not even a recorded video.
This is live. Alright,
That's so cool.
let's remove the other person.
Okay.
So just tap the other person, nadedetect siya, and it is 98% recognition accuracy. So, kahit ano pa yan, it will be detected. Ayan, ayan,
And
tapos na
you
pala.
know, I have to say, considering the photo is a little busy, I have have to give kudos to the technology because the background is like rocks, diba?
Yes.
Tapos seamless yung removal nung chismis.
Yung chismis.
Nung chismis.
So ito, let's look at the
Photo.
screen again.
Okay.
Ayan, so meron tayong compare button. So before, after. Before,
Wow.
after. O diba, mas aesthetic.
Mas maganda.
Mas maganda syempre.
And honestly, it's really clean. It's not like hindi mo siya mahalata na it's
Yun
erased.
nga.
Parang wala talaga siya.
Walang nauulit.
chismis.
Wala nang
Sabihin.
dumagdag na chismis.
Yes.
Kasi minsan, di ba, when you use with other AI technology, you
It's
try
obvious,
it.
yeah.
It's so obvious, so you have to manually, like, really
Clone it yourself.
Oo.
erase.
Yun na yung kailangan ng laptop.
Yes.
Pero with this one, hindi na.
May isa pa. So this is the other photo doon sa video natin. Ayan.
Oh,
So,
wow.
tatanggalin natin yung plants. Okay? So yung mga halaman dyan, tanggalin natin. So you can also use Smart Lasso like this. So encircle the object, and as you can see, madedetect siya, it will be recognized. Just wait a bit,
I'm gonna
and
snap.
delete siya. Right. Now, as you can see, yung shadow hindi pa siya fully na tatanggal.
Aha.
Madali lang yan. If you have to try it again, okay lang. Or you can choose paint over.
Take over.
So yan, parang mo lang siyang binrush sa Photoshop, di ba? So, matatanggal rin
So
siya.
it's like a brush tool nga. So
Yes.
there's a lasso tool, there's a brush tool.
Yan. So before and after.
Wow.
Before and after. Alright.
Wow. That's pretty cool. I want to try it right now.
It's pretty cool actually, and you can really say now the future's here.
The future
The
is
future is
here.
here.
Thanks to Oppo.
Step into the power of AI.
Yes.
Tsaka you know what I realized is that, you know, sometimes when you're traveling, meron ka lang isang opportunity to take that shot. And most of the time you
Correct.
can, because especially if you're traveling and punta ka sa mga lugar na marami talagang tao,
Yes.
maraming tourists, chances are na makapag-shoot ka ng magandang photo or like
Yes.
super low. So at least this time around, you know, you have this option if you want to erase everyone.
Oo, so
Kahit bad memories.
pati bad
Actually.
memories. Meron din akong tip niyan. Okay, meron akong challenge. Kung kumuha kayo ng Oppo Reno 12 Series 5G, punta kayo sa Trevi Fountain. If you can erase everybody there, that would be great. And I know you can with Oppo.